All right, feet first. We're going to do a right kaholo. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. You have to hold that fourth count. Again, to the right. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. You're going to turn to the wall. You're going to do a YYO. 1, 2, 3, hold 4. Okay, here we go. Ready? You gotta hold that fourth count. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. Okay. First part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Not way up, but here. Off shoulder. 1, 2, 3, hold. Right hand goes up, left goes forward. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes your wind. Go diagonal now. Wind. Other side. Wind. And. Okay, here we go. Ready and. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, and. Wind. And. Wind. And. Got it? Again. By yourself. 5, 6. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, diagonal. Wind. And. Wind. Very good. And. Feet. We live near Oceanside. Everybody should know how to do an about face. An about face. Forward, pivot back, together. Right? Come to me. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, step forward. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. Step on the left foot. 1, 2, left, right. Again. Ready and. 1, 2, left, right. Again. Ready? Face forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. 2, 3, 4. You boys, mommy. Ready? Forward. Ready and. 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The wind and the wind. Feet. 1, 2, 3. Figure 8. The right side, left side, right side, left. Good. Okay, now when you turn back, you're going to reach. That's 1, 2. You're going to cross 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leave it there. And then finish your figure 8 right here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's not. Ready. The next part is going to throw it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The wind diagonal. The wind. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. Left, right, left. Stay right there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 8. 2, 3, 4. Okay, stop. You know the next wind? We're going to do the next wind. But watch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right kaholo to the right. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. Pick up the left foot. Turn to your left shoulder. Face front. Kaholo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, back to me again. 3. 1. From the figure 8. 1, 2, 3. Kaholo. 1, together. Step. Hold it back. 1, together. Step. Turn to me again. You gotta hold that foot. Step 3. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 1. Turn back. 2. Hip goes right, left, hold to the right. Cross and pick up your foot. Cross and turn. And 1 and 2. Okay? Let's try it. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diagonal back. The wind. And the wind. And 1, 2, 3. Figure 8. Right, left, right. Go right. Step together. Step. Pick it up. Step together.